This week, you're going to continue working on your PSA iMovie projects. Last week, we talked about adding titles and looking through the choices, focusing on centered if you have a lot of content that needs to be displayed. To add a title, you simply drag it and drop it into the bottom. Remember, if you want to make it so it's a lot less space, you can drag it over so you can see it a little bit better. The top right corner is where you edit your titles. So the first one would be the title of your project and your name. If you would like to change the font style, you can simply select your info, choose a different style, size, or color. Click off of it when you're ready to move on to the next one. You can go ahead and continue adding additional title slides so that you can add the rest of the content within your PSA projects. You're able to move and put those projects in different locations if you want to switch them out. This week, you're going to want to continue to add images in your projects. You can look online for pictures and then drag them and place them on your desktop, like I have a couple over here. Then select the picture and drag it and drop it into your project. Like so. If you would like the words to be on top of your picture, then you can take your photo and the text, and you can add the text on top of your picture. Simply move it back if that's something you do not choose to do. If you would like to have a different type of background color, you can click on the Backgrounds tab at the top, go through and pick a certain color of background you would like, and drag that into your projects. Then click on the title slide and add it on top of the background. If there's a picture you do not want, simply select it and hit the delete key on this keyboard. Later this week, you're going to be asked to add credits at the end. You can add credits using different types of title slide choices. As mentioned, centered is a good one to focus on using if you have a lot of information. Scrolling credits is another option as well. Simply drag and place it at the end of your project. And go through and add the credits and the necessary information that needs to be displayed in the credits, along with the sources for the facts that you put in your PSA. Transitions are also needed to be added between text and text, picture and text, picture and picture, etc. Simply scroll through, find a particular transition that you like, and drag it and drop it between your content. Like so. If you don't like it, click on it and then delete using the keyboard. You also will notice that you're going to need to change what's called duration. Duration is how long something is going to be displayed on the screen before it goes away. You can do this several ways. One, by dragging using your left and right arrow on each title slide or image slide and making it longer by looking at your seconds that are displayed to increase it, like so. Or you could take your image, 3.5 seconds, and I'm going to drag that out to be 4 seconds. You might have to watch and read the content being displayed a couple times to see if you need to increase the duration of all different parts of your project. If you double click your title slides, you also can click on the eye and then change the duration by just erasing or deleting the 5 and adding another number and hit return or enter on the keyboard, which will also change the duration of that slide. By the end of the week, you should have done all title, text content, all images, all transitions. You should also make sure that you have watched and added all parts of the storyboard content-wise to your projects and adjusted the duration, the font style, the font color of what people would see when they would watch your PSA. Upon my return, you guys will be able to focus on the audio aspect of your PSA, as this week is focusing on the video part of your PSAs using iMovie. Remember, iMovie saves itself, so continue working hard throughout the week, and I will answer any additional questions and concerns that you might have once I get back. Good luck, and let me know if you guys have any questions by emailing or messaging me using Canvas. Thanks and good luck.